There are a variety of ways to use WordPress to help improve the functionality and appearance of your business. You can create an SEO-friendly blog, an e-commerce website, or a portfolio using WordPress. Use WordPress to maintain a blog. WordPress makes it easy to maintain a blog. You can post content as often as you like and customize the appearance of your blog by adding a variety of themes. You can also build an SEO-friendly blog that ranks well in Google searches by optimizing text and images for search engines. Use WordPress for your e-commerce website. WordPress is a flexible platform that can be used to create a variety of e-commerce websites. Sites like WordPress and WooCommerce are designed to help people sell products online by providing features like payment processing, shipping fees, and product reviews. You can easily track sales and inventory with an e-commerce site created using WordPress or WooCommerce. Use WordPress for your portfolio. WordPress is a popular platform for portfolio websites. You can choose from various WordPress themes, customize the layout and content of your website, and add social media icons to pull in followers.